Now, it's only when you start doing the thing that you're trying to learn that you start to understand the intricacies of the thing you're learning. Now, it's very unlikely that you'll pick up the Python language quickly if you simply listen to me or watch me code. So I encourage you to take time to observe the video tutorials whilst at the same time coding along with me. After each lesson, try to note down the key takeaways and practice the concepts in your own development environment. Don't worry if you don't know what a development environment is just yet, we cover this in the next section of the course. Be sure to complete the assignments and the quizzes that you come across during the course, as that will confirm whether you have understood the principles and can effectively apply them in practice. Now, you can't learn the Python language in a day, and at times during the course, you may be asking yourself, why do I need to learn this specific concept? Why is this relevant? Just know that learning about data types, data structures, and functions are key building blocks, which when combined can create some fantastic software solutions. So although in their own right they may not do much or seem very exciting, having a solid understanding of the concepts covered in this course will mean that you'll be ready to deploy the Python language to meet a variety of use cases. So I do encourage you to stick with it. This course is carefully designed to bring you up to speed as quickly as possible. So seeing as we'll be covering a lot of content during this course, I've broken the topics down into small, bite-sized videos to make it easier to digest and understand. But if at any point you feel I'm going too fast, you can go back and listen as many times as you want. You can even slow me down using the playback speed option if you wish. On the other hand, speed me up if you want to complete this course in double time. Now, my goal is that by the end of this course, you will walk away feeling confident in using the Python language across a variety of use cases. So much so that I hope you feel confident in adding it to your CV and discussing your Python skills in interview scenarios. But it does require dedication from your side to stick with it, even if it feels you're not understanding as quickly as you'd hope to. Just know that when things appear difficult, you have access to a support team that will be on standby, ready to help get your understanding back on track. Just reach out to support@theindustryportal.com. Now, there's so much to cover, so I'll see you in the next video where we'll get you set up with Python on your machine. I'll see you in the next session.